If you want to bring a little luxury aroma to your house, you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. When I come into my house, if it's just been an afternoon since I've been there or something, no big deal. But when I come back after a few days, a long weekend away or something, I kind of notice a musty, stale smell sometimes. And I just want my house to smell nice all the time, just like me. And so I found this website called Hotel Collection, and they make these scent diffusers. Didn't we at one point in time just call them air fresheners? But they make these scent diffusers, and they make different scents that are based on luxury hotels. So if you go to a hotel, you are probably welcomed with a bouquet of beautiful wafting aromas that invite you in and make you feel relaxed. And so I thought, well, if they advertise that they can make my house smell like a hotel, smell like a luxury resort, well, then I'm in, because I want to come back to a luxury resort every day. So here is this piece right here. First of all, I'm going to say that this is not necessarily a cheap little endeavor. I am going to guess that you can probably get air fresheners that will probably do a similar thing for a lot less. But I paid for this with my own hard-earned money, so I'm going to just tell you that it cost me a lot of my hard-earned money. First of all, we get a 2-prong plug here and a single prong plug to power this guy, and then right here we have the device. It kind of reminds me of like one of those original Alexas, maybe a little taller, a little skinnier. I think they come in 2 colors, black and then silver, and I thought silver would look better, especially on camera. We have a little bit of a rubberized base there. You can see how it flares out just a little bit. And then we have the plug for the cord. Looks like we have a little LED on front. This is all like an aluminum or something. It's some sort of metal. Feels a little bit like that liquid metal alloy. Oh, it looks nice. I mean, it's very shiny. Underneath these lights, you can tell how shiny this is. But what I can see here is that there are some pieces that come apart. And then on the top, we have, I'm assuming, where the scent comes out. There's also a little scent diffuser book here. And so I am going to read through this and see how it works. I also picked up this scent. This is called My Way Fragrance Oil. Is it an essential oil? I don't know. But it's old wood, leather, and sandalwood. I might just put that on before I go out. Oh, try to keep your hands to yourself, ladies. And I don't remember exactly which hotel this was inspired by, but I thought it was like some sort of beach hotel. So that's what I like, going to the beach, feeling like I'm on vacation. So let me figure out how this works, and then we'll try it out and see if it works. All right, I think I've got this thing figured out. So this top half comes off, and I am just going to, looks like just kind of unscrews with a twist here. So you don't need to like unscrew it like it's threaded. There's actually some little tabs right there. You can see how that goes into the little openings right there, and that's how this will kind of drop in and then lock in. And I also want to show you that there are a couple electrical connectors there and the connections right there. So to help you reconnect this, you're going to want to make sure that those are generally lined up, okay? And then you just lock it in like that. But I'm going to unlock it and open it up like this, and you can see we have this empty bottle here. You are going to want to hold on to that because it's apparently going to be used for cleaning. But what you want to do is just unscrew it, and it says to do it counterclockwise. So I'm assuming just kind of like every threading, just like that, little plastic bottle, and then we have a little straw there. Now here is the bottle of the scent that I bought. And I think I just take the cap off here and then take off the foil at the top. It actually smells pretty nice. It's not actually so powerful that I thought I was going to get knocked over. It has a coconut oil smell. Definitely reminds me of the beach a little bit. All right, so I'm actually kind of getting a little excited. So what I think I do is I actually screw this into here by putting it like this and then pushing it up and then screwing the bottle in now clockwise, and you want to make sure it's tight, and you also want to make sure that it's straight, not cross there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and line up those plugs to those ports right there, and I'm just gonna move back and forth here till they drops in, tighten it up like this, and now it says I can just plug this in and start using it. Now I want to get this little light in shot here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I want to show you is that it is sending that out. Oh, I can smell it. Oh man, just sending that out on the top, and it's sending it out pretty fast. All right, but I want to show you down here with this little light. It's saying blue, and there are 3 light indicators here. Blue means it's powered on, and it just stopped exhausting out of the top there. So blue means it's powered on. Green means that the scent is being diffused, so maybe it was green there for just a little bit, maybe just kind of puffing it out once in a while. And then red indicates when it is receiving a command from the remote. Now, the funny thing about this is in the book, it shows this little remote control. But I know that I am a moron. I have looked all over this box, and I have not found a remote anywhere. I will tell you what, so far, this room is starting to smell a little bit like the beach. Now, and you just might let it sit here, and maybe every 5, 10, 15 minutes, it will just go ahead and puff out some more of that delicious aromatic oil. Oh, and I want to show you, green light, and it's wafting out a little bit of that aroma. So I'm going to guess here every 5 minutes or so, it gives a little bit of a puff out there so that you can enjoy that. Ooh. It is making this area smell pretty nice, but as it goes through there, I think it's going to use quite a bit of this stuff, so you're probably going to be on the hook for buying more of these aromatic oils. But that actually might be the hack for this. You might actually be able to buy some scents that you want and oils that you want from other places and just put them in there. I'm going to try that. But the drawback to this is it's pretty expensive. However, it's pretty gorgeous. Well, most things are compared to me. So if you do want something that's a little bit stylish and makes your place smell that much more inviting, you might want to try out the hotel collection. I might try out some other ones and see if I can find an equivalent type of device that is maybe a little bit more affordable. But until then, I'm going to immerse myself in the illusion that I'm at a luxury hotel. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.